Hi everyone, this is Jackie from Gem Lightbox. I'm here at the Pawn Expo in Las Vegas 2024, and I'm sitting with Bill, who's from Picasso Pawn. So Picasso Pawn, they have 7 stores across North Carolina, and they've been around the industry for 35 years. So we're going to tackle a couple of topics today, just about the pawn industry. I think the first question we should start off with, Bill, is what challenges do you see the pawn industry facing? What should retailers and wholesalers be aware of?
Well, for us, the challenge right now is that we're in an inflationary cycle and trying to meet our customers' needs and provide them value in the face of rising prices. And that's one of the good things about us and what we do is we are able to provide a better value than a regular retail storefront.
Gotcha. What specific things would you say, Bill, that you do differently to like a retail storefront that kind of separates you and attracts more customers to your stores?
We're usually not in malls, we're in freestanding stores. We got a different rent structure than a lot of retail locations have, so we're able to do that the way we acquire our merchandise, either through purchasing in the used market or the pre-owned market. We are able to give people a better value.
Gotcha.
So that gives us a little bit of a leg up, but the challenge for us is to get people to understand what we do and how we go about doing it, because there are a lot of misconceptions about what we do.
Gotcha. That's definitely really insightful. Are there any specific trends or directions that you see the pawn industry heading in that retailers should be aware of? Or are there like any buying preferences as well?
That's something that probably we kind of see the back end of trends. I mean, it's like with Pandora stuff, right? Like Pandora was a real big item at one time, right? And when it first hit, we didn't see a lot of that stuff. Well, now that it's kind of gone through a cycle, and people are still buying and selling a lot of Pandora stuff, but we didn't start seeing it till after it kind of came through. So we're a secondary thing, and we see a lot of stuff in the secondary market. Same thing as with lab-grown diamonds. So they hit the market several years ago. We're really starting to see a proliferation of it now.
I see, gotcha. And what are your thoughts on lab-grown versus natural diamonds, Bill?
Lab-grown diamonds are a way for people to buy quality for value, at least on the front end. The thing that pawnbrokers have to do and be careful about is once they've hit the secondary market, their value is very low. They want to do something with those goods on the secondary market, the likelihood that they're going to get disappointed by what they'll get for it on the secondary market is high.
I think one really important question, Bill, that a lot of retailers are interested in is how do you see the pawn industry evolving in the next few years?
That's a very good question. I think that there's going to be a lot more competition in the market, whether that be from other actual pawn stores or other venues for people to do the kind of business that we do. We're going to have to be more mainstream. We're going to have to be able to embrace things like social media and social media marketing, but also with our systems and how our customers are served, whether that be through online transactions or online ways to do business. So, somebody might come and buy something from us or do a layaway with us where they want to be able to make those payments and they want to be able to service that item via online instead of having to come into the brick and mortar store and do it. So we want to be able to more adapt to those kind of things.
Do you have any insights into, because now I guess, not just in the pawn industry, but in the jewelry industry, a lot of businesses are trying to move digital and move their inventory online as well.
Sure.
Would you have any insights into that process, and have you actually started that process yourself?
With our point of sale system, we have the ability to put everything that we have online. And the challenge becomes, we want a picture to tell 1,000 words.
Of course.
And so if a picture can speak 1,000 words, we want to make sure that picture is able to do what we want it to do. And the better the quality, the better chance we have of getting a sale on a piece of jewelry that sits online, because jewelry is still a have it, hold it, trust it, endear it kind of product. People want to try it on, they want to feel it, they want to see it, they want to feel its warmth, its glow, and it's hard to do that with a picture.
100%, yeah.
Not impossible, it's difficult.
Yeah, completely agree with you. And one last question for you, Bill, just to finish off. So for all of our retailers watching, if you had one key piece of advice or takeaway just to help them kind of advance in the next few years and continue growing their business, what would you tell them?
Pay attention. Whatever today is, tomorrow is going to be different. And these trends that change, it's changing so fast. When I first got into business, I might have had a year or two to catch up or change. Now I might have a month.
Right.
So you got to be paying attention, stay aware, stay educated, understand the technology, understand the trends.
For sure. Well, I think that's not just industry-specific advice, but really fantastic life advice.
Certainly.
For sure. Well, Bill, I appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Thank you for taking the time to speak
Sure
with
thing.
us.
Thanks for having me.